So, I figured that the header we made initially is not uniform to our maroon theme, so I added it. In addition, I also temporarily disabled the banner as we tried to put it on our header. Now let's go ahead and enable our header so we can see how it looks like. To do that, let's first configure our heading settings on page option. So if you scroll down in this page, you will see the page option here. So first, let's disable our legacy theme, then update, go to homepage and refresh. Now go back to our dashboard and let's look at some more options for header. In template settings, we have enable overlay header and enable sticky header. Let's say yes to both. Now here in sticky header, we can assign height for it. But let's just say default to sticky header for now. Update, browse the site and refresh it. That's that. Now let's go back to the dashboard and go to customize. Click header, header template and edit with header builder. Then let's use a template that we made. Update, browse and refresh. That's that. Not quite there. So we want to change the design of header and banner. Here in header editor, let's remove this template and let's change it to a more simple version. Here I already made a template. Update and refresh. That's that. Now, let's make an overlay effect which will overlap both header and banner. See how it goes. First, let's insert our banner template again. Update and refresh it. That's that. But as you can see, there's a gap. Let's remove that. So in the page editor, we will edit our banner's positioning. We are going to use the relative. But just to show you what every option does, let's try them all. First, let's do absolute. That's not what we want, obviously. What about relative? That's what we actually need. As you can see, the gap on the top has been gone. What about static? Well, there's still a gap in both bottom and top. Let's remove the bottom one, but adjust this, then let's update it. Now let's remove the top one. This time let's use relative. Adjust the top. That's it. Update and refresh. That's pretty good. Now let's put some more detail. Here, let's add my logo, adjust the size and align it. Preview it. Nice. Now let's remove the annoying gap in the bottom by adjusting this and refresh. That's that. Let's add a button to it and let's call it read more. Now let's link it to some section on our homepage. Say this section, let's call it about. And in the link bar, let's also put about. Now update it and preview our site. Test it. Nice. Now last but not the least, let's edit our main menu. So first, let's go to menu. Just hover over on appearance and click on menu. As you can see, it's empty at the moment. That's because initially I deleted all the auto-generated menus so you can see how to create one. Now let's go ahead and create one. Let's call it maroon menu. Then tick on these ones, then save it. Now let's add the list for our menu. Here we are going to use the custom links. On URL, let's put $sign, then about. Then for links, let's call it about to. Then let's click on add to menu. Now it's been added. Just repeat the process until we completed what we need. Let's quickly do it now. Now that we have it all, let's go ahead and tag the target sections. So let's go back to our editor, click on each section like this, and let's add CSS ID based from our intended links. Now that's done, let's quickly do the same to others. Oh, whoopsie daisy, we forgot about the price. Let's quickly add it now. Let's also change the read more button quickly. Now, that's all done. Let's test it. Cool, cool, cool. And that's conclude our designing phase. For the next video, I will show you how to back up your design, avail a domain name, host your site online, and import your design from local computer to the cloud. Ooh yeah! Thanks for sticking by and see you in the next one. Paalam!